Hey guys, what's going on? Tyler here with Revered Beards, back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Beard Balm and what really it's used for. Really three main types of beard products, conditioners that you can get: beard oil, beard balm, and beard wax. Now there also sometimes is beard butter that's thrown in there, which I would kind of categorize that as maybe as between beard oil and beard balm. But it is kind of what it is. It's beard butter. It's like butter for your beard. But we're going to be talking about beard balm today. And beard balm can come in a wide variety of different textures. Sometimes you get beard balm that's really soft, like this one from Honest Amish. Like, it's just a really soft beard balm that you can just easily scoop it out with your fingers, and you can massage it in your hands. It melts really quickly, and then you can run it through your beard. And it hydrates your beard and gives it a small to medium hold strength. And then you can get some beard balms that are a little bit more firmer. Now this is a beard balm that I have made homemade, and as you can see, I've used a lot of it, but it's a lot harder. But to get it out, I use the back of my thumb, and it easily scrapes off. And it takes a little bit longer for it to melt in my hand because there's more beeswax in it. So you just have to rub your hands together a little bit longer, but it's the same thing. You just rub it through your beard, and then for bonus points, get yourself a good beard comb. I did have one here somewhere, but you get yourself a beard comb. Oh, here it is. Striking Viking foldable beard comb. Did a video on this as well. Check it out. But get a beard comb and comb it through, and it'll help spread it out through your beard even more. So beard balm really is used to hydrate your beard, and it gives you a medium hold usually. Now depending on your beard and hair type, you might get better hold or worse hold. If you have really crazy beard hairs that just want to go 15 different directions, then you might want to look at a beard wax, because that's going to give you a better hold than just a beard balm would. But when my beard's this length, I would consider this like maybe not medium length, but small to medium length. It's definitely not as small as if I would trim it with a razor or a trimmer, where really I would just use a beard oil. This is kind of, I guess I would consider my medium beard length. I've had my beard like down to here before, but this is probably the stage where I would use a lot more beard balm rather than beard oil. And I wouldn't use beard wax just because my beard isn't super unruly, and I can pretty much tame it with just some beard balm and a beard comb. I don't have to straighten it with a straightener or beard straightener or beard comb. I don't have to use wax with it, and it pretty much stays in place. And so if you're thinking about, what product should I use for my beard, it really is just different use case scenario on what you want out of it. If it's a shorter beard, beard oil. Longer beard, and you don't care too much about the hold, beard balm. If you need a much more hold, beard wax. Now this isn't 100% across the board with everybody and every single company, but most beard balms have the ingredients of some kind of beeswax, a carrier butter, kind of like shea butter or cocoa butter, and then a carrier oil, maybe like jojoba oil or argan oil, and then fragrance or essential oils. That's for the all natural ones. The ones that have synthetic stuff, that has a bunch of stuff I can't pronounce. You can get all kinds of different beard balms. There's multiple thousands upon thousands of brands out there. Of course, I'm a big advocate of all natural ingredients. This one that we made at home, it has beeswax in it, shea butter, almond oil, and some essential oils, and I think vitamin E oil. That's it. And it doesn't need any of that other additives, no artificial fragrances, no propylene glycol or any of that nasty stuff. This is one from Honest Amish, and they also use all natural and organic ingredients. I'll link it down in the description below, as well as some other different brands that I've tried in the past for beard balms. And if you have any beard balms you would suggest that I try out, let them down in the comment section below. Might do a best of the best beard balms here for this upcoming season, upcoming Christmas season. And if you guys have any suggestions for beard balms that I should try out, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. Like I said, big fan of all natural or organic ingredients. And yeah, if you have any companies, tag them, let them know I'm looking for beard balms. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's kind of a short one, but I just wanted to make a video about beard balms. I know I made one about beard oil, so I made one about beard balms, and I might make one about beard wax, but I don't actually have any beard wax right now, so I need to buy some. So that's going to be it for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up button. Also remember to subscribe for more videos from me talking about anything and everything beard related here on this channel. Balms, oils, combs, brushes, shampoos, anything beard related. It's going to be happening here on Revered Beards. And so make sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon. That way you're notified whenever new videos go live. Again, thank you guys again so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.